I wanted to give an insight on my crypto strategy. So I'm no expert here, but this is something that's been working for me. Hopefully, I think it could work with other people. I doubled my money the first time that I put my money into crypto. I was not really sure, if it was going to work. But after doing basically an analysis on the market, I saw that there were dips and valleys, obviously. And I focused on the percentages of the yearly percentages in growth, and also the all-time growth and percentages. So if you look at the percentages of only Ethereum and Bitcoin is what I'm going to talk about here. I do not focus on really anything else. I focus on what's moving, and basically Bitcoin is moving with Ethereum, but Ethereum's percentages are higher. So what that pretty much means is that you can make more money by investing in Ethereum because the percentages are more in general, whether it's going down or up. There's percentages differences, but it moves with Bitcoin. So Ethereum is pretty much always moving with Bitcoin. It always is. If you look at the charts, the patterns are the same for both of them. It's a really simple strategy. Basically, it requires patience more than anything, but also you do have to do a little analysis on the market itself. So I did the analysis for Ethereum and Bitcoin and realized that if I put in my money and held it for a year, I'd be up 1,000%, basically. So, and that's just facts. You can look at the year, or really the all time, right? So mainly for the all time, but also for the year. And I think this is really speaking on Ethereum more than Bitcoin, because for the year for Bitcoin, it has these insane ups and downs. Now that you're too late to the game, it's just better to invest into Ethereum because it's a lot more affordable to get an entire Ethereum. But again, you just want to focus on the percentages. So, how I kind of want to break this down is basically the strategy that I'm using to double my money consistently over a longer period of time. So this is like basically long-term investing. And you also have to be able to hold through the lows. That's probably the most important part. But you also have to be able to pick a low point to buy into. And the most important part, I think, to my strategy is that you do lump sums. So you put all your money in and then you take all your money out. So you're going to put all your money in at the lowest point that you think is the lowest point that it's going to go to. And then you take all your money out at a very high point where you're profited, and you don't want to get too greedy on where you take it out. But it's really important on where you put it in. So where you're putting your money in the market at the time that you put it in is probably the most important part, because you'll be guaranteed to make money if you put it in at the right time. Once you get your money into the market at a certain point, all you have to do, and it sounds easy, but it's hard. You have to be very patient. It's going to take a couple months for that market to fluctuate. But once it reaches a high point, you'll be able to double your money. And it's quick transactions too. So you can use Coinbase for this. It's really easy. It's a very simple way to just double the money that you're putting in consistently over probably like a year's time span. So you can continue the strategy throughout the year, throughout 2 years, throughout 3 years. Maybe you'll be able to get in and out of the market a couple times throughout the year. You'll end up doubling your money every time that you take it out. That's pretty much the goal, right? So, like right now, for instance, the market is, somewhere at one of the lows. Well, it's currently plummeting, which is an exciting time for a lot of people because they're looking for a point in the market to get into. A lot of people jump the gun, and because it's plummeting, they've waited a couple weeks, been plummeting for a couple weeks, and they'll get in. But what they're not looking at is all the difference. You got to look at the daily. You have to look at the percentages of the daily, the weekly, the monthly, and also the year. And then also look at the trends of the year. So if you're seeing percentages, if you're seeing it drop by a higher percentage for the week and by a very high percentage for the day, then it's going to, and then for the month, it hasn't dropped that much. That means that it's dropping a lot by week, by a short period of time. So you don't necessarily want to put your money in yet because it's dropping more by the week and the day than it is by the month. So the drops typically happen within like a month and a half. You can sort of gauge it because it's not going to just drop. It does drop suddenly, but for the most part, it's going to take a couple weeks and it's going to continue to drop or continue to climb. It doesn't usually have the fluctuations that Bitcoin has with drops. Although it is controlled by Bitcoin and that can happen, that's when you just have to hold because you can't predict those. So the main thing is that you hold through those huge dips. So when there are these really big dips, you have to hold through them because there's no way you could have predicted it. If you didn't get your money out and it dipped really low, then you have to hold through it. So that was the most important part. And then basically you just wait for it to go back up. It could take 5 months. You know, it's a hold for 5 months most likely. It's a hold for 4 months. This is how you make money in the market. It's really not that hard. You can really read the graphs on Coinbase to determine, you know, where the market is and where it's going. So it's not really difficult. It's just about being able to be patient enough and also do like a little short analysis every single day. You know, if you wake up every day and you check the market and you see where it is, you can do a little bit of an analysis on the Coinbase market just with Ethereum and Bitcoin. That's all you need to look at. And I don't focus. This is just a strategy that works. It's a strategy that wins. It's a strategy that's basically guaranteed to make you a lot of money. If you get in at the right time, all you have to do is hold. That's it. It's really easy. And it's a market that just is pretty consistent in terms of the trends that it's having. It's not it's not like stocks. Bitcoin is pretty easy to see on like a longer term basis. And if you look at the year chart, there's clearly like months where it's climbing and then there's a big dip and then it might dip even more for a couple months and it stays low and then all of a sudden it starts climbing for a couple weeks. And there's a lot of people that are getting out in between. But if you can hit it close to these certain points, then you're going to be maximizing your profits and you're going to be able to get in and get out at the right times. I haven't been one to trade it on a daily basis. I'm not trading on a weekly basis. I'm not even trading on a monthly basis. I'm pretty much looking to trade at a yearly basis. So that's the difference, and that's why it works. And that's why you use lump sums, because you trade on a yearly basis with lump sums. And that's how you make a lot of money. So if you're putting all your money in at the right time, you're guaranteed to make a return on a yearly basis. You're not doing a lot of transactions on it. You're just doing 1 or 2 transactions throughout the year. Hopefully you don't have to take your money out. But if you have to, then you have to. And you just do that either, hopefully at a win, somewhat of a win. I think if you're profiting anywhere over a couple $1,000, depending on what you put in, or even just $1,000, depending on what you put in, then I think that's a win. So as long as you're doing wins and you're taking it all out at once, you can just rinse and repeat the strategy and make a lot of money. That's pretty much my overview of what I've been doing. I doubled my money, so this basically works, is what I'm trying to say. You know, I made a lot of money in the market. I made about $1,700, and I think I doubled my money. So I put in $1,700, I made $1,700, and I could have made more if I didn't have to take my money out. So I had to take my money out for financial reasons. But it's just a really simple way. You know, I'm looking to put in $4,000 right now at once, and I'm going to put in $4,000 at the lowest point that I can, and then hopefully that turns into $8,000, because what's going to likely happen is if I get into the market at the right time, in 4 or 5 months, it's going to come back up. I mean, these markets are so predictable. It's going to come back up. If you get in at a low point, you're guaranteed that it's going to go back up. So it's just not like stocks. You know, it's not like stocks. it's so volatile that you can make so much money off of it. It's moving so drastically that you can really make a lot of money off of it.